Hi guys, Mike, and I'm here with my big girl Linda, a beautiful 2021 Ram Promaster conversion. All right, let's jump right in. All right. So when you open her up, you obviously come into the kitchen. Let's turn some lights on. Okay. The main features here that we really love is a ton of counter space and the really big deep dish sink. Okay. This is actually powered by a blue and a gray water system that you can see underneath here. She's just got great, I guess she's out of water. Oh, excuse me. No, she's not. You have to turn the pump on. So, this is nice if you want to save electricity. Yes, you turn the water pump on. Now she's cranking, all right? Sorry about that. I was like, whoa, what's going on? Okay, we'll keep the pump on for now. The other really nice feature with this kitchen is the really big fridge and freezer combo by Tack Life, okay? You can see you'll be able to fit a ton of your actual leftovers, drinks, sodas, water bottles, whatever you got in here. And then the freezer is ginormous, okay? So you can fit ice cream, tequila bottles, you know, whatever the heck you need. Okay. Now, the other nice feature too is the chest. It gives you plenty of underneath storage. So we have our 2 extra water gallons, our toilet, and as well as a safe that's mounted. And we have actually some green Coleman propane tanks that are used for the grill in the back. We'll show you in a sec. All right, let's jump into the office. We have the passenger swivel seat, which swings around like that. And then we have our large lagoon table, which is actually stored up above, right here. Okay, and it simply mounts on just like this. All right, and this is really nice too. You can put a computer and a mouse pad here, and you still have plenty of space. Even when you're cooking too, you know, this is good because if you need the extra counter space, there you go, you have it. Let's jump into the bedroom. We have an 8-inch memory foam queen size mattress, which is great. We have the max air vent, of course, right here, which is on the remote, which is really nice to keep, you know, your exhaust fan going. You have your overhead storage along with your shelves, which is great. And then some really nice features too are the reading lights. These actually have USBs here as well on the side, so you can actually charge your phone or whatever you need to at night. And of course too, we have the sliding bunk window. This is great to kind of keep the breeze for the exhaust fan going. All right. Okay, cool. Cool, now let's jump into the garage. Okay, and we'll shut this for now. All right, so to get in the garage, you do have to remove the one hitch pin here. It's not a big deal. I'll get to this in a sec, but this is actually a propane mounted grill. Okay. All right. So this is the garage, okay? You have plenty of storage space. On the right is all of your power system. We have a 400 solar panels up on top of the roof, and we have a 300 battery bank in the back, lithium ion. It's about 3 100 amp hour batteries. They're all by Renogy, which is really nice too, and we have the solar charger controller so you can monitor your system Bluetooth. You also have the 2000 watt inverter, which is great for all your 120 volt systems. You can see too, we have the microwave underneath, and there's actually an induction stovetop cook for when you're actually, you know, you want to cook something on, let's say, a cast iron skillet or something like that. What's also nice too is that we have a 5-gallon spray tank, so you can use this to wash things off, or if you want to take a shower, you can actually do this. We have the clotheslines right here, and you would be able to put your drawstring or your shower curtain across and have a little bit of privacy. Okay. Let's show you some of the exterior modifications. These are really cool. Actually, I'm going to need to get in here, but the first being the grill. We have one more hitch pin that needs to come out. Okay. Bam. And these are powered by 2 individual propane tanks that go right here. And this is great Huge grill, 2 different burners. You can actually put a cast iron on here as well, and it acts like a propane stovetop. Okay. The other exterior feature, the main one that we love, is the awning by Fiamma. All right, so you got your crank right in the garage, and if you'd like, you could just crank it right on out. It's a one-man setup, which is nice. You're gonna come here, you're gonna pull out the legs. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. One in. Two in. And then we would simply just raise it to the desirable height that we need. So this looks good for me. And then we come on over here. And we're gonna raise it, all right? So really easy, you now have shade. Awesome feature to have on this van. Some of the other exterior mods that we have are your Falcon AV tires. These are kind of all vehicle, all road tires. We have the tinted windows with the rain guards, which is nice. And some 2 really cool features is we do have an LED mount bar. Let me turn that on real quick. Alright, this is awesome. One of the biggest complaints with the Ram Promasters is their headlights aren't the brightest. So this really does a great job, you know, in terms of lighting up the road. And then if we actually come on the back, you can see we have 2 rear-mounted LED lights, which is really nice if you need to get into the back of the van when it's dark, or maybe even put the grill away when it's dark. So look, this is Linda, a 2021 Ram Promaster conversion, and yeah, welcome to my house.